Now besides median, we have many other positional measures. So median is a value that splits the series into two parts, but sometimes we may be interested in splitting the series into 4 equal parts or 6 equal parts or 90 equal parts. So in that case, we make use of many other positional values. These positional values depend upon the measurement of median. So the procedure for the calculation of these positional value is same as you have seen in case of median. So the first positional measure that we are going to discuss is quartile. The calculation of quartiles depends upon the nature of a series, of course. Either it's an individual series or a discrete series or a continuous series. The first positional value that we are going to discuss is quartiles. In quartiles also we have Q1 and Q3 because a quartile divides the series into 4 equal parts. So if we have to talk about a line, here in the middle it will be the median, and when we are dividing it into 4 equal parts, this will be our Q1 and this will be our Q3. So a particular line can have maximum 2 quartiles, that is Q1 and Q3, and in the center, that is median, that is also known as Q2. So now for the calculation of quartiles, as we have seen in case of median, the formula is going to be very much similar. The calculation part will be similar, only one change is there. Here we will write that quartile Q1 size of n by 4th item. In the median, we have seen n by 2 item. Here it will be n plus 1 by 4th item because it is individual series. So the change is here it is 4, in median it was 2. If it is a discrete series, again the same formula, n plus 1 by 4th item. If it is a continuous series, it will be n by 4th item. And here when we will apply the formula that we have seen in case of median also, lower limit plus n by 4 minus Cf divided by f into I. It means the calculation part is very much similar as we have seen in case of median. The only difference is the division is done by 4. If we come to the calculation of quartile 3, so in quartile 3 the formula will be 3n plus 1 divided by 4. It means formula will be multiplied by 3. Here also the formula will become 3n plus 1 by 4, and here the formula will be 3n by 4. And in the next formula, as in this case, it will be 3n by 4. Now next comes the deciles. Now decile is a positional value that divides the entire series into 10 equal parts. As quartile divides the series into 4 equal parts, that is why in the formula we have divided the quartile by 4. Median divides the series into 2 equal parts, that is why in the formula we divided the formula by 2. Now the decile divides the series into 10 equal parts. So here also if we have to make calculation of, we can maximum make the calculation of 9 deciles, that is possible. So for example, if in the question it has been given that you have to calculate D8. So how we will calculate 8 n plus 1, same formula, divided by 10. If it has been given you have to calculate D1, so it will be n plus 1 by 10. It means we have to divide our formula by 10. If I am talking about D8 only, if D8 has to be calculated, here also formula will be 8n plus 1 divided by 10, and here it will be 8n divided by 10. And in the second correspondent formula it will be same, it will be 8n divided by 10 replaced here. So this was the calculation of decile, and deciles can be in the place of 8, it can be 2, 3, 4, 5. Accordingly, we will be changing this coefficient value. The third positional value that has to be calculated is percentile. Now percentile is denoted with P, and a percentile divides the series into 100 equal parts. So as decile divides in 10 equal parts, the percentile will be dividing into 100 equal parts. Now for example, you have to calculate percentile 25. We can calculate 99 percentiles maximum. From 1 to 99 you can make calculation of any percentile. I am taking example of P25, that is percentile 25. So here my formula will be 25 n plus 1 divided by 100. Now it will be divided by 100. Here also formula will be same, 25 n plus 1 divided by 100. and here it will be 25n divided by 100 in the first formula, and in the second formula here it will be replaced 25n divided by 100. Rest of the formula will be same. So these are the formulas for the calculation of other three positional values: quartiles, deciles and percentiles. The calculation, the questions, it will be same as you have seen in case of median. So the calculation part, missing values part, calculation with the help of graphical ogives, everything is going to be same. Just in place of those formulas, now you will be making use of these formulas.